What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to import and install presets in Premiere Pro. First, let's talk about presets. Presets are pre-configured settings for effects or transitions in Premiere Pro that you can quickly apply to your video projects, saving you time and effort. These are often used to maintain consistency across projects or speed up your editing workflow. Now, if you've downloaded presets from a store or website, you'd likely receive them as a zip file. This is a compressed folder containing your preset files. Once you've downloaded the preset zip file, you want to locate it. For most users, it will be in your Downloads folder. Once you found the zip file, you will need to extract or unzip it to access the actual preset files. Right-click the zip file and select Extract or Unzip. After unzipping, you will see the .prf pset file, which is the preset file you'll import into Premiere Pro. Now, it's time to open Premiere and bring these presets into your editing environment. Once Premiere Pro is open, look at the workspace at the top and select the Effects tab. This is where you'll find all of the available effects, transitions, and of course presets. Now, locate the Presets folder within the Effects tab. You'll need to right-click on this Presets folder and from the context menu, select Import Presets. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the location where you unzipped your preset file. Find the .prf pset file that you extracted earlier, select it and click Open. This will import the preset into Premiere Pro. Once imported, your new presets will appear under the Presets folder in the Effects panel. Now, these presets are ready for use in any of your projects. You can apply them in any clip by simply dragging and dropping the preset onto your timeline or directly onto a video clip. And that's how you import and install presets in Premiere Pro. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.